Don't know how to create a new Gmail account? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Gmail account. So first, what you have to do is open your Gmail and click on the profile icon, and then scroll down and click on add another account. And after you go to that, select Google, Outlook, Yahoo, or whatever you use. Here I'm going to show you how you can create a new Google account. So simply click on Google. If you have a password, write down the password. If you don't, then it will simply process itself. After that, click on create new account for my personal use or for my work or business. Here I'm going to do personal use. Remember, while doing business, it takes a longer amount of time. So simply write your first name, select your date of birth, write down your gender, click on next, and write your username of the Gmail account that you want. Here I'm going to write whatever I want, like Vishal 5567. After that, create a strong password for your Gmail account. Click on next, and there you go, your Gmail account is ready to use. Simply click on I agree, and here it is, your Gmail account is perfectly ready to use. That's it, it's that simple to create a Gmail account. So if you found this video helpful and useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.